Hello children, here we are going to study about place value and face value. What is place value? Place value is the value of the digit because of its position in a given number. That means where the digit is placed. Accordingly, what is the value of that digit? That is called as the place value of that digit. Face value, by the name it's clear that is face value, that as when we see at that number what value of that appears in our brain, that is its face value. So the face value is the original value of the digit itself. We will understand it with an example here. As we have a number here, that is 98275. So here we will discuss about the place value of the digit 2 over here. As you know, to fix the place of the number, we start writing it from the right side. That is, as we have written here, that is 5 is at 1's place, 7 is at 10th place, 200, 8,000 and 9 is at 10,000 place. So what is the place of number 2 here? That is at 100 place. So how to write its place value here? So place value of 2 we have to write. So what we have to do to write the place value? First we write the digit and then we multiplied the digit with its place. As we can see here, 2 is it at 100 place. So 2 will be multiplied with 100. So in this number, place value of 2 is 200. Now we'll see the place value of another digit, that is 8. So the place value of 8 will be, first we will write that digit, that is 8, and then it will be multiplied with its place. And we can see 8 is at the place of 1000 here. So the 8 will be multiplied with 1000 to see its place value. So 8 into 1000 we have 8000. So in this number the place value of 8 is 8000. Now the face value, as I told you, the face value means the original value of that digit. So the face value of 2 is 2 and the face value of 8 is 8. Face value never changes wherever is the place of the digit in the number. Okay, face value means the value of that number. So many questions can be asked based on the place value and face value of the number. Like here we have an example with us, that what is the sum of the place value and face value of 2 in number 98,275. So for this, as we have written the place value and face value both of 2 in the given number, here we have seen that the place value of 2 in this number is 200 and the face value of 2, of course, whatever is the question, the face value of 2 will be 2 always. Okay, so here we have the place value of 2 and here we have the face value of 2, and what we have to find? We have to find the sum of the place value and face value. So here the place value of 2 in this number is 200 and face value of 2 is 2, and here it is our sum, so we will add them up. So place value plus face value of 2 in this question. So 200 plus 2 we have 202. So the sum of place value and face value of 2 in the number 98,275 is 202. Similarly, many questions can be framed accordingly, right? What is the difference of the place value and face value of 9 or 8 or 7 or any number in the given number, right? It can be repeated also. Suppose any digit is repeated in the number. So suppose 2 is twice in any number. So it can be asked, what is the sum of place values of both the 2's in the number? So we will write the place value of both the 2 and then we will add up, and similarly about the difference. So number of questions can be solved if the concepts related to the place value and face value are clear. Hope you studied everything nicely. the topic is clear to you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, that is Padhai Ke Fun Day, right? And if you have any query related to the topic, so you can leave it in comment box. We will positively try to answer your query. Thank you.